Dear brothers and sisters from Canada, my name is Igor Rašola. I'm president of a charity organization Serbs for Serbs from Serbia. I would just like to send you a thank you message to all of you, to all our donors, friends, your families that supported us, supported our Christmas action in time for Bozic. And I would like to tell you that all our planned actions are in progress, and hopefully during the first warmer days we're going to start our construction works on 4 houses that we plan to do. And also we will prepare you a professional report where you'll be able to see how and when the projects are done. Once again, I would like to say thank you to all of you that help us, and also I would like to invite you to keep supporting our organization and to stay with us in order to help more families and to help more Serbian children. Thank you again. Draga braćo i sestre iz Kanade, ja sam Igor Rašola, predsjednik humanitarne organizacije Srbi za Srbe u Srbiji. Želim samo putem ove video poruke da vam se zahvalim na spremnosti da podržite našu veliku akciju koju smo nazvali In Time for Bozic, gdje smo prikupljali pomoć za 4 socijalno ugrožene porodice u Srbiji i na Balkanu. Mi smo akciju uspešno realizovali i radovi na izgradnji i dogradnji kuća su u toku. Nadamo se da ćemo već u prvim danima lepog vremena i toplijeg vremena krenuti i prijaviti na posao. Još jednom hvala vam svima i pozivamo vas da i dalje se aktivno uključujete i podržavate projekte naše organizacije.